Very good morning, all the students of third standard, and we are learning here our social studies lesson number 14. Kolkata, we are learning. Kolkata is going on, and from the Kolkata lesson, if you see, I have given some answers of this Kolkata lessons. And in the next one questions, there's correct circle the correct answer. This one is going on. Circle the correct answers. Questions are here, and of this we have to be circle one. We have to make the round which one is the correct, that one we have to do here. But before this, one more time I will remind you the question answers which I told in a previous video. If you not have the video, then you can see from the first questions. Fill in the blanks. Dash from Bengals are famous all over India. Dash from Bengal are famous all over the India. So we can write the answers: Sandesh and Rasgulla. Sandesh. Sandesh. Sandesh and Rasgulla are ASGU. This is our answer. It is famous from Bengal all over the India. Next one is Dash is the twin city of Calcutta. Dash is the twin city of Calcutta. Then you can write answer as the Howrah is the twin city of Calcutta. Next answer means next questions. Dash was the capital of British India till 1911. Dash was the capital of British India till 1911. So we can write answer here: Kolkata. Kolkata. Kolkata was the capital of British India till the year 1911. Fourth fill in the blanks question is there. Dash is a huge structured bridge without any pillar. Dash is a huge structured bridge without any pillar. So Howrah or Ravindra Sagar Setu. Howrah or in bracket Ravindra Setu. To Howrah also we can call as a Ravindra Setu. A huge structure bridge without any pillar. Next question is the fifth question. Dash is a unique means of road transportation in Kolkata. Dash is a unique mean of road transportations in Kolkata. So we can write the answer here as a tram car. TRAMCAR. Tram car is a unique means of road transportation or road transport in Kolkata. Next question number 2. Answer the following questions. Name the one mode of transport systems found only in Kolkata. Name the one mode of transport systems which is found only in Kolkata, not in any other city. So we can write the name of the mode of transport which is found only in Kolkata: tram car. Tram car. It is one mode of road transportations which is finds only in Kolkata. Tram car. Next, which marble monument is famous in Kolkata? Which marble monument is famous in Kolkata? Marble monument. Which is marble monument famous in the Kolkata? So we can write Victoria Memorial. Victoria Memorial is the marble monument. Victoria Memorial is the marble monument famous in Calcutta. Victoria Memorial. This is a marble monument which is famous into the Calcutta. Next one question, which is the most important festival of West Bengal? Which is the most important festival of West Bengal? So we can write answer here. Durga Puja is the most important festival of West Bengal. Which one is there? Durga Puja. Durga Puja is the most important monument from the Calcutta. Next question, name the two bridges built across the river Hooghly. Name two bridges which built across the river Hooghly. Two bridges name. Ravindra Setu and Vidyasagar Setu. Ravindra Setu and Vidyasagar Setu. So Rabindra Ravindra Setu Setu and Vidyasagar Setu Vidyasagar Vidyasagar Setu. These are the two setus are there built on the across the river Hooghly. Next, name the following. Question number 3. Name the following. The largest cricket stadium in India. Which is the largest cricket stadium in India? We can write our answer as Eden Garden. Eden Garden is the largest cricket stadium from India. Eden Garden. Question number 2. The river on which Kolkata is located. The river on which Kolkata is located. So we can write here answer as a Hooghly. Hugli. Hooghly. We can write our answer as the river on which Kolkata is located. Hooghly. Hooghly river is there. Hugli. On the Hooghly river, Kolkata is located. Next, the most popular sports of West Bengal. Which is the most popular sports of West Bengal? We can write our answer as a football. Football is the most popular sports from West Bengal. Football is there. Next question. After this, two delicious Bengali sweets. Two delicious Bengali sweets. Sandesh and Rasgulla. In the fill in the blanks also we have seen Sandesh and Rasgulla. Next, what are the famous for now? For what purpose these are the famous? Howrah Bridge. For what purpose Howrah Bridge is famous? It is a huge structured bridge. Stands without a pillar. Howrah Bridge is a huge structured bridge which stands without a pillar. For this Howrah Bridge is famous. Next question, question number 2, botanical garden. For what purpose botanical garden is famous? Botanical garden is famous for the banyan tree. Botanical garden is famous for the banyan tree which stands over 200 years. Which stand from over 200 huge banyan trees there into the botanical garden. So it stands for over the 200 years. Birla Planetarium. Third one question. For what purpose Birla Planetarium is famous? The first planetarium in Kolkata. So Birla Planetarium is there. So the first planetariums in India was built in Kolkata. That is a Birla Planetarium. National Library. Fourth one question, National Library. So the National Library is the largest public library from India. National Library of Calcutta is the largest public library in Calcutta. So fifth one question, circle the correct answers. Which is the correct that we have to circle here. Means correct answers we have to make around there. The staple diet of the Bengali fish and dash. The staple diet of the Bengalis. means the diet of the people, those who live in a Bengal, their main diet is their fish, and along with the fish, what they eat mostly, rice they eat. Fish and rice is the staple diet of the Bengali people. Fish and rice. So here rice is our answers. We have to make circle to the rice. The international airport in Kolkata is named after Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. International airport in Kolkata is after the Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose name there. Dash is the most important festivals of the West Bengal. Durga Puja is the most important festival of the West Bengal. Durga Puja is there. So Durga Puja is the most important festivals. At the beginning, Kolkata was the capital of British India. At the beginning, if you see that, Kolkata was the capital of British India. So in this way, these are the answers of these lessons. In this, we have completed this lesson. Write the answers in your notebook, and after writings by heart. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.